Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jacob here with Media Simplified, and I'm going to tell you why we push all of our contractors, even though we have solar and remodeling, towards roofing. Because roofing is really where we exceed at making you a lot of money for a very, very small investment. So what we set up here at Media Simplified is called a cold traffic conversion system, aka a digital door knocking system. Basically what happens is somebody in a geographic location that you provide gets targeted with your ads, goes to a site, fills out an application, and submits an in-home consultation request with your company. That's like a snapshot view of what we do. So basically what you're gonna pay with Media Simplified on average is about $2,000 to $3,000 on a monthly basis. What we can do with that is not only set up the cold traffic conversion system, but guarantee you for roofing a minimum of 20 in-home consultation requests. So that means 20 people who've been retargeted with your ads, go to your site, get educated on your brand, fill out a 10-question quiz, schedule a time for you to come to their home or do a digital estimation through Zoom. So it's a very extensive process that all these clients have to go to by the time you even get on the phone with them. So with roofing, I'm going to do some quick math and show you what your average return can be on something like utilizing a cold traffic conversion system to get new roofing jobs. So say that you invest $2,500 with us for a month, right? And we can guarantee you a minimum of 20 in-home consultation requests for new roof replacement jobs. A roofing job can range from $5,000 to $45,000. So let's go on the absolute bare minimum. This is not realistic, but I just want to show you what your return on your investment looks like with something like this. So say you invest $2,500, and out of the 20 opportunities in the 30 days that we provide you, you're only able to close 2. So 1 out of 10 closes is going to net you $10,000 in gross revenue from your $2,500 investment. Now, obviously, we're not here to make small returns, but I just want to show you how mitigated your risk is when using our roofing clients on demand program. Our contractors average roofing jobs at $15,000 to $45,000. That is the average price for a roof, especially when you have insurance. You can easily get $30,000 roofs day in and day out. So at a $2,500 investment for 20 in-home consultation requests, if you're able to close 1 out of every 10 deals at a $15,000 roof, that's $30,000 in gross revenue for your $2,500 investment. That is a very, very low average of what all of my clients experience. Now, if you're a salesman who's worth their salt and you can get upwards of a 30 to 50% close rate, you are making astronomical returns on your investment with our system. I mean, think about it. If you close, I can't do math off the top of my head, but say you close 8 out of the 20 opportunities at a $15,000 average with a $2,500 investment, you're going to be a very, very happy camper. And that's really why we prioritize our roofing clients on demand program so heavily, because the turnover is quick, the jobs are quick, and you can make a lot of money very, very easily by talking with people who actually need your help. So I hope this video was informative, guys. Definitely schedule a consultation with us if you're doing roofing, solar, or remodeling. We do all of those things, but specifically roofing. If you want to become a cash money millionaire very quickly, that's what we recommend. So thank you so much. My name is Jacob Edens, and if you need anything else, reach out to us in the comments. Thank you.